Hi students, today we will learn how to subtract of fractions. So in that, first we will see how to subtract like fractions. See students, here today we are going to learn subtraction of fractions. So from that, first point we will learn how to subtract like fraction. So let's see its example. Subtract 15 upon 24 minus 7 upon 24. If you observe this example, then you understood that these are like fractions because both fractions having denominator 24. So these are like fractions. Now, in addition of fractions we have learned, if fractions are like fraction, then we have to subtract only its numerator. So we will solve it. 15 upon 24 minus 7 upon 24. So we subtract its numerator. 15 minus 7 upon 24. 15 minus 7, 8. 8 upon 24. Now we get here answer 8 upon 24. But we have to reduce it into lowest term. And for that we have to find its HCF. So by prime factorization method we find its HCF. Prime factorization of 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Here we find prime factorization of 8. Now we find prime factorization of 24. 24 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12. 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. And 3 1s are 3. Now we find its HCF. Prime factorization of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. And prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we have to find its HCF. Means we have to find common factor and multiply. So here common factor is 2. Then next common factor 2. So there are 3 common factors. Now we multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here we get HCF of 8 and 24 is 8. Now we divide numerator 8 and denominator 24 by 8. So we divide 8 by 8, we get quotient 1. And we divide 24 by 8, 8 is a 24, we get quotient 3. In this way we reduce this fraction into lowest term as 1 upon 3. Next, we will see here subtraction of unlike fraction. So see its example. Subtract 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 12. So see student, 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 12, these are unlike fraction. So first we have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. So for that we have to find its LCM. So look here, 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 12. So we will find its LCM of 3 and 12. Multiples of 3 we can find by finding common multiple or prime factorization method also. So look here, prime factorization of 3. 3 1s are 3. Prime factorization of 12. 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12. 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. And 3 is divisible by 3. So here we get prime factorization of 3 is 3. And prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now LCM. LCM is we have to multiply common and uncommon factor. Here common factor is 3. And uncommon factor is 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So here we get LCM of 3 and 12 is 12. Okay. So now we convert denominator as 12. So here 2 upon 3. First fraction is 2 upon 3. But we want here denominator as 12. So here denominator is 3. 3 fours are 12. So we multiply 2 and 3 by 4. 2 multiply by 4 and 3 multiply by 4. 2 fours are 8 and 3 fours are 12. So here second fraction is already with denominator 12. So now we will subtract. 8 upon 12 minus 1 upon 12. Now we subtract its numerator. Here 8 upon 12, its numerator is 8. And 1 upon 12, its numerator is 1. Upon 12. 8 minus 1, 7. And 12 denominator. So we get answer 7 upon 12. So look here student. So in unlike fraction, we find its LCM. Then we convert this unlike fraction into like fraction, and then we subtract. We get answer 7 upon 12. Next point, subtraction of mixed fraction. So let's see example of it. Subtract 5 1 upon 15 minus 2 upon 5. So see student, these are mixed fraction. So first we have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Then if required, we have to convert it into like fraction and then reduce into lowest term. So first we will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So see first fraction, 5 1 upon 50 minus 2 upon 5. 5 1 upon 50. So we have learned student how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So multiply denominator with the whole number 5. So we multiply 15 by 5 and add 1, numerator 1 upon 50. 15 5s are 75 plus 1 upon 50. We get 76 upon 50. Now, second mixed fraction 2 upon 5. Here also we multiply denominator with the whole number. 5 multiplied by 2 plus 2 upon 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 upon 5. 12 upon 5. So student, here we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction as 76 upon 50 and 12 upon 5. But these are unlike fractions, so we have to convert it into like fraction. So first we find its LCM. So by prime factorization method we find its LCM. So here prime factorization of 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 50 and 5 1s are 5. And 5 is a prime number. So prime factorization of 5 is 5. So prime factorization of 5 is 5. And prime factorization of 15 is 3 into 5. Now we have to find out its LCM. So LCM is equal to, first we find common factor. Common factor is 5. Uncommon factor is 3. 5 is 50. So here we found LCM of 5 and 50. We got here 50. Now we change denominator as 50. But here first fraction is already given denominator 50. So we change second fractions. So 12 upon 5. 5 3s are 15. So we multiply 12 by 3 and 5 by 3. 12 3s are 36 and 5 3s are 50. Now we get like fraction, so we can subtract. So 76 upon 50 minus 36 upon 50. Now we subtract its numerator. 76 minus 36 upon 50. We get here 40 upon 50. Now we have to reduce it into lowest term. So we have to find out its HCF. So HCF of 40 and 15 is 5. So we divide 40 and 50 by 5. By dividing 40 by 5, we get quotient 8. 5 is 45. And by dividing 15 by 5, 5 is 15. We get quotient 3. Now, again we divide 8 by 3. 3 2 is 6. So look here student, we divide 8 by 3, we get 2 as a quotient and 2 as a remainder. So we write in mixed fraction as quotient 2 as a whole number, remainder 2 as a denominator, and divisor 3 as a denominator. See student, here first we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we convert unlike fraction into like fraction, we subtract and we reduce it into lowest term by finding its HCF.